Okay guys, and we are back. What's going on? It's your boy Jose Cabrera again with another tutorial video. Now, if you're watching this for the very first time, maybe you're visiting my YouTube channel for the very first time, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you give me a like on this video and drop any comments that you would like down in the comment section. Okay, now on this video guys, what we're going to be speaking on, what I'm going to be going over is on how to do an internal transfer inside of your Hugos Way broker account. Okay, a lot of people, once they get their money in here to the Hugo's Way account, they want to know how to transfer it to their MetaTrader 4 so they can start trading money. And the same thing goes when you start making profit. And let's say you want to take some profit out of your Forex account, people need to know how to do that. Okay, so that's what we're going to be speaking on this video real quick. I'm not going to make it too long. It's going to be about 5 minutes long. It's very easy process, guys. We're in the Hugo's Way broker account. So if you need that broker, I'll be leaving the link below for my affiliate link. You can sign up, deposit money, and go ahead and get started on your real account. Okay, so let's go in here. We're already in our Hugo's Way account. We're gonna go to the left-hand side. We're gonna go where it says internal transfer, and here you're gonna see all your activity that you've been doing. Okay, now we're trying to transfer the money that we just deposited into our Hugo's Way account to our MetaTrader 4 account, right? Whether it's on your mobile device or on your PC, whatever it is, we're trying to transfer it over, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna come in here. It's gonna tell you select a transfer type, okay? We're trying to do, right? We're gonna do first transferring from our broker to our MetaTrader 4. So we're gonna choose wallet to MetaTrader, right? Not wallet to wallet, but wallet to MetaTrader, because we're transferring from our wallet here in Hugo's Way to our MetaTrader 4. So select from wallet. Obviously, once you have the 50 bucks or however much you put in, you'll see the amount right here, right? This one, for example, has 14 cents. I'm going to select the account. I have two accounts on this account here, right? You can choose whatever account that you connected, right? Whatever your real account is, you're going to go ahead and connect it here. Okay, so whatever your account is, make sure you check your email and check the number of your account here, the one here on the left hand side, and make sure it coordinates and it matches to that one that they sent you in your email, so that way you don't send it to a different one. Once you choose it, you're going to click the amount to transfer, right? Which the minimum is 50 bucks, but let's say you did 100 bucks, right? After you do that, guys, you're going to click request transfer, and that's it. That's it. Boom. Obviously, you're going to see the money up here in the left-hand corner. It's going to go away because you just transferred it. And then you'll be able to see the transaction right here of however much you sent. And it's going to say done. Okay. Usually, it doesn't take no more than about 5 minutes, like it says up here, and probably less. Okay. Now, the same thing is if you're trying to take money from your MetaTrader 4 and put it in here, right, into your Hugo's Way wallet. Now, the only difference is instead of you putting wallet to MetaTrader, you're going to put MetaTrader to wallet, right? Does that make sense? So you're basically doing the opposite. You're taking it from the MetaTrader into your wallet here on Hugo's Way. So you would just click that, select the account, right? Whatever MetaTrader 4 account you want to send it from, right? Let's say I'm going to just choose this one that has 32 cents. Then I'm gonna select the wallet that I want the money to go in on. Now I only have one wallet, which is the USD, which should be the same for you unless you're in a different part of the country. So USD 14 cents. If you are in a different part of the country, then you can just choose whatever part of the country you're in. And then again, just select the amount that you want to transfer from your MetaTrader to your Hugo's Way wallet, and that is it. You click request transfer, and then again you should see the transaction here telling you how much, what the date is, and what the status is. Okay, and that's pretty much it, guys. That's how to do an internal transfer in the Hugo's Way broker account. I hope this video helped you guys out in any type of way. If you have any questions, drop them below, guys. Again, click the subscribe button if you haven't. Give me a like on this video, guys, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Peace.